I am at Aachen, the beautiful border city of western part of Germany. Aachen also hosts one of the world's largest facility for coating of cutting tools, CemeCon AG.
We are trying to help our partners, our cutting tool manufacturers as our customers to explore new business areas and to come across new business areas. Very interesting things in the moment are hard machining, dental, medical. And for this, moreover, you put a lot of efforts in finding the best carbide, the best geometry, do the best grinding to have a perfect geometry. And we would like to add to this a perfect matching dedicated coating based on our HiPIMS and diamond technology. HiPIMS, this acronym means High Impulse Magnetron Sputtering. So it's based on sputtering technology, the technology where CemeCon is coming from. We started with sputtering some 30 years ago. Diamonds, the hardest material on earth, giving extreme resistance to all kinds of abrasion. CemeCon is a pioneer of using this material as a coating for cutting tools. The most important thing when you are going for incorporating coating in your tool production is training. Coating is a workflow. With all our experience from doing up to 80,000 cutting tools every day and more than 300 installed systems, we know each and any step.
CemeCon provides worldwide coating service, coating materials and coating technology, everything from a single source. We offer coating solution that gives your cutting tools a real performance edge.
CemeCon service begins long before commissioning. Even before the system door closes, behind the first batch of cutting tools, CemeCon service technicians are active on site at the customer's premises.
We are more than happy to share our knowledge with you so that you can start coating cutting tools immediately after our installation at your place and after our training, first here in Aachen in our factory and then in your factory.